What's good, gang? It's your boy Tony Russell, aka Hoodieruss, you know what I'm saying? And today we got Getting Girls Numbers with a Flip Phone Part 2 by Duke Dance, you know what I'm saying? Listen, man, I ain't gonna cat with you, man. I ain't gonna cat with you. I be taking notes when the Duke speak, man, about the I be taking some, you know what I'm saying? I be getting my riz on you. You know what I'm saying? Let me stop. But yeah, we about to get into this one. You know what I'm saying? Not gonna cat with y'all. No snack today. The bev is just water. But we still stay true to the late night. You know what I'm saying? It is 2:21, so we stay true to the late night. But road to 2K subs. Be a part of growth. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hit those notices, you know what I'm saying? Be a part of growth, like I said. And June 9th is going to be our first Twitch stream. If you don't know what June 10th is, you better look it up. At 12 a.m. on June 10th, you better look up what happens that day. Because we definitely going to be tuned in. But I'm going to start to a side, and we going to get straight into this one. Link in the description down below. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Duke back at it again, man. It's kind of loud. Yeah. Duke back at it again, man. Let's get it. Where he at? He in Atlanta or he in South Carolina? Because they moved out the AMP house, so he has to go back to South Carolina.
Have you did it before?
Have I done it?
What are you talking about?
I'm just covering for the boss today.
Can you give me change for 20 for one ride? Here you go. I'm a little nervous, so you gotta...
I need your sign right here.
Right here?
Yep.
D-Block Stepper. D-Block Stepper.
My name's Duke.
Let's get it.
Calling him D-Block.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
$200 challenge.
What, he riding a bull or something?
Gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, that's what I figured. I ain't see it at first, but that's what I figured. When they said stay on there for about 8 minutes. 8 minutes is crazy. They did not say that. 8 minutes is crazy. I ain't gonna cap. 8 minutes is crazy.
Can't touch or grab the ball. Oh, he ain't smiling no more.
That's crazy. She said he ain't smiling no more. Come on, baby. He said, hold on. Oh yeah, he gone. He gone. He gone.
Man, sir, that was 6.7 seconds, sir. I think we got a phone somewhere Willie took.
That's crazy, man.
Right there. That's a secondary phone. I can tell what
Oh, he talking about the...
Don't forget the trap phone, D.
He talking about the flip phone.
Have a good one, sir. Thank you so much. Well, I'm going to be on YouTube now.
Dave about to go? Yes, sir. That boy Dave Miko. What you mean?
More teeth and gold.
That boy Dave Miko.
8 seconds, one hand. Don't touch or grab the bull, sir. Let me get myself ready. You ready? Here we go.
Oh, yeah, Dave, that's crazy.
Oh, no. Dave, no. 4 seconds.
That's crazy.
Flat, sir. But your dreads look great flying in the wind.
Bro. Oh, my mama, she cheating, bro.
Everywhere Duke go, they taking pictures, man.
My picture got messed up.
We can do that, though.
Yo. Let me get the code.
Get the
code. Okay. Keisha, that's
Hold on. Is that you?
Yeah, I know. Which one you looking at?
Everywhere he go, man. Everywhere he go in pictures.
Getting close, too close. Look at Willie shaking. Good job.
I'm trying to make sure my do it again. Bro, $10 ain't nothing, dude. Come on now, baby. Come on now. Gotta add real quick. $10 ain't nothing for real for Duke, man. He playing. He know.
Yeah, you got it. No, I ain't
yes,
got
you
it.
do.
I really want to do it. You got to think it's a profit, though. You got to think it's a profit. I done spent 20. If I spend 30, that's a goddamn $107 profit.
Okay. So how long is this? 8 seconds.
Block. Coming back on stage. Mighty, mighty D-Block.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's get it.
Tell me when you're ready. You ready?
Hey, just don't put me that
You
way.
sure you're ready? Alrighty, here we go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, dang.
He left.
How long was that?
D-Block.
He lost the shoe.
We love and appreciate you, sir. Don't forget the trap phone. I think one went that way. Don't forget the sneakers. He wanted to make sure the kicks got shown today.
God damn.
Fuck in the mic.
Two hands, though, I get that, though. Like, 2 hands, I get that easy. Like, she really cheated me, though. Like, type shit. That's all right, tripping.
Hey,
Man, you think I'm
hey,
tripping
man.
on shit like that, man?
What we getting into, man?
I'm tripping, though, all right.
You say you really think I'm tripping? I saw that on TikTok.
You gotta be all the Riz, I swear.
You ain't got no
You the
real,
Riz
bro.
guy, bro. Hey, I put all the girls just doing this. I put all of them. I gotta go.
Hey, crazy, bro.
Bro, I'm dead serious. You gotta be all the girls. Where you go? Hey, dude. Hey, can I get your Gmail? Can I get your Gmail?
Nah, he's wildin'. No, he's wildin'. This man said, we're a girl. Can I get your He's wildin'. He's wildin'. He's just trying to be funny, bruh. In front of Duke. Like, that's an L. I ain't gonna count with you. That's an L, man. That's an L, gang. Come on, man. Come on now, man. Come on.
Nope. Oh, no.
She says she's 15 years old. Oh, yeah. You got to go. You got to go. Come on. Man really's got the flip phone. He pulling YouTube on a flip phone, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. This man pulled up YouTube on a flip
What's up,
phone,
bro?
man.
What's up? I ain't used one of these. Oh, but look, though. No account, right? Look who third. Okay. Look who third. No account.
Yes, sir. Hey, I be doing that. I be going incognito, though. I be going incognito and searching myself up. That's, when I got my whole page, I got excited. Like, if you look up Hoodieruss and you find me right there, like, that's when I really got excited for real. Like, that's cool. That's cool for real. But ain't nothing like Duke. Ain't nothing like Duke, but still, it's still cool, you know, just see that. What's that? Hey, what's good with you, gang?
I just needed to be amongst some beautiful men.
Oh, yeah?
No, for real.
Too bad you ain't looking for a boyfriend right now.
Is she smoking a cigarette? Yeah, never mind.
Oh, you want my...
She needs to go. Yeah, she needs to go.
You know what? I would give you my number, but I don't give my number out like
You
that.
don't have to. I don't either.
Oh, yeah?
No.
No, she got to walk you got to start walking the other way, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. The cigarette smoke you got to walk you got to go. Oh, what happened? Did he fumble the drink?
Holy shit.
Got him. Everyone saw they got him, right? Okay. Come back. Where'd he go?
I'm so
Hey, man, y'all done dropped the fucking cat.
Oh, it was a cat. I thought it was a drink. I'm like, what happened? I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know what was going on.
Okay, do you have a boyfriend? That's all I know. Really?
I don't. Next.
Next question.
You looking for one?
No.
Okay, then that's a great question. You looking to get? Are you looking to get to know somebody though?
Yeah, not really.
Oh, yeah?
That's crazy.
I'm just chilling right now.
Ready to go home?
Ready to go home.
I like your. I mean to be leaning on you.
Right away.
I know.
She getting right away because she got heels on.
Listen, I can have your number, man.
What's your name?
That's crazy.
803?
That's crazy. This man really pull out the flip phone for the numbers, man. You gotta be different. You gotta be different to pull out the flip phone for the numbers, man. You got to be. Like, she bad too. Like, that's the thing. Like, he's not just pulling up on any average, you know what I'm saying? Like, they bad. Yeah, and then these dudes coming in ruining it, bruh. Like, this is what I wouldn't like. Like, dudes coming in ruining it. Like, you see me trying to rizz up, you know what I'm saying? You see me trying, just hold on. Just chill out for a second. Chill out real quick. Like, hold on. You know what I'm saying? Unless you gonna come in cool. If you gonna come in cool, then cool. But if you gonna come in on some crazy, just
Too many
Wait,
fiends.
give me a second. Give me a second, man. Give me a second.
Big D block. Oh, I ain't finna pull that out, but you know what's going on. Whole lot of D block.
This man a D block stepper for real? I don't think so. That man just chatting.
Hold on, don't laugh at my dog, though.
I told him I'm in between phones right now.
Can we take a picture together? Yeah. Come here, man.
Hold on, what's your name?
My name Duke, what's yours? Hey, hold on. I really would get your number, but I ain't want to.
Can't have my number. I work too many jobs.
Hold on, I got 2 jobs.
He said, I got 2 jobs. Yes, I got 2 jobs. What you mean?
You chat right now, man.
Yeah, you stupid fuck. I'm dead ass serious. I'm a mama, I'm a daughter.
Oh, yeah? You know
Yeah,
what
she chat. She cabin. No, I ain't got no 5 jobs, man. Ain't no way. I don't like the blue. The blue not hitting.
What's up, man?
The blue not hitting. I ain't gonna
What's
cap.
your number, man? What's your number, man?
You got flip phone? I bet you dead.
That's crazy.
That's some bullshit.
That's crazy.
What's up with you, son? What's up with you? How you doing?
The old man ain't doing well.
Oh, now this man. Who is this
In the
man?
streets, man. I'm talking to the Kings now.
Of course.
Me and my wife sitting right over there. I've been sitting there for the last 3 to 4 days.
Oh, yeah?
We
I got about
every damn dime we can get.
I got about 40. Hey, I got $40 for you right here, young sir.
See,
Hey,
that's
look,
a
I know it
blessing.
ain't much, but hey, look, it's an investment right there.
It's a blessing.
It's an investment right there.
Wait a minute. How old do you think I am, young man?
He definitely about 50.
52?
Yeah.
Never see that again.
Huh?
I was born April 24th, 1940.
40. God.
Oh, yeah. He old.
Hey,
82.
82.
you look good as fuck, boy.
No, he is not 82, bruh. He's captain. He's not pushing 90,
Boy,
bruh.
you look too good to be 80.
Yeah.
Man.
My
He's
youngest
not
child
pushing 90, bruh.
is 34. My oldest is 50.
He's
If you
captain.
80 something, man, I would be blessed to look like you when I get 80 something.
Yeah,
You look
Yeah,
good.
hey, he
bro.
do look good for,
You
but
look
if
good.
he's really 80 something, he do look good for 80 something, but he's not. I guarantee he is not pushing 90. He's not pushing 90, bro. No way. No way he's pushing 90.
This would be a good advice point of view. Just chatting, man. Hell yeah, like nigga, goddamn, so boom, nigga, I'm texting her phone, nigga, she ain't answering. It's 3 in the morning.
He just
But
making
she
that
was just
stuff.
on IG Live.
He just
And
chatting.
said she was
Yeah.
I seen the green bubble beside her. Nigga, bitch texted me earlier the next morning talking about I fell asleep. Bitch! You
Nah, that's crazy. Nah, that's crazy. No, you know that's real crazy because that make you want to pause the video. It make you want to say something, but I ain't finna say nothing, man. I ain't finna say nothing because it ain't for that. It ain't for that, man.
This bitch done went through my messages, my goddamn photos. When she seen
Nah,
that
cause it's
curve,
crazy.
though, she
That's
done
exactly
got-
what's gonna happen to me tomorrow morning. That's exactly what's gonna be. Somebody gonna text me that they fell asleep. I don't know. I'm gonna say it's alright, but I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Bitch was ready to stay there.
There's no way. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's no way I can prove that like she didn't fall
I
asleep.
can vouch
So.
for that, man. She was
There's
not
no way I
trying
can
to
prove that she
leave
didn't fall
after that right there, man. And get what she told her friends, Q. Y'all can go. I got my own car. Yeah, she said y'all can go. I got my own car. Whole time I'm wondering, damn, Q risen her ass up. Wrong. She seen a dick pic in his phone. It's tough.
Hey, I was reasoning though, like the whole time I'm talking to her and shit. Then she went through my phone on her own.
That's
shit. So I'm like,
crazy.
what
Nah.
Whole time
He's
I was
so-
expecting her to see the
he's
picture.
so-
I'm like, why is she got
he's so- he's so-
The bitch talking about, oh, you sell weed, all type shit. I was like,
Nah, he definitely sold.
Bro, this nigga, bro, hold on, bro. What the fuck?
You can't just give somebody your phone. Like they can't just go through it willy nilly, bruh. You already sold when you did that. It's already a sale. You already sold when you did that.
Boy, do y'all know how much of a straight face this nigga just had there?
You know
way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
That's what's his name, huh? Wait, who is that? I don't know who that is. No, hold on. Why I thought that was Brandon Marshall, bruh. It looked like Brandon Marshall a little bit. Y'all know the Broncos receiver? It looked like Brandon Marshall just a little bit. From first glance. From first glance, it looked like him, bruh. I ain't gonna cap, man.
I ain't no younger out here.
Man, say I'm 26 years old. Pushing 30.
I ain't too far.
Is he 20? He 28. He not even 26. He 28. Pushing 30. What you mean? He pushing 30.
I am a grown man.
Grown man.
You're certified.
Yes, man.
What are you looking for?
My phone.
He gave up. Nah, you see, I see what he doing, man. The girls he really finna try and talk to, he giving the real phone. The girls he not really feeling, that's the way he pulling out the flip phone just to see what he can, just see if he can do it. I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. I hate my camera now, y'all. Like it has never done this as much as it does it now. Like the past week, it's been going out of focus like crazy.
Hold on. You see right here? Oh, you got an Android. No. Look, I'm gonna text you. This is me right here. See, you hear me? This is me right here. My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am. You too.
Where the rest of the AMP crew at?
Oh, God, you didn't have
That's crazy. She stepped up to her. She didn't say hi, dude. She said, "Where the rest of the AMP crew at?" Like that's crazy. That's crazy.
I'm Victoria.
Victoria.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all from out here though?
No, we're from Virginia.
And y'all drove all, what, about 6 hours?
4.
Yeah, I heard 6 hours. Hey, man.
6, well, it depends on what part. I'm from Southern Virginia.
Oh,
So
yeah?
that kind of, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like she got 6.
Nah, I ain't gonna cut, man. It's gonna be me one day. No. We ain't gotta get into that chat, though. We ain't gotta get into that chat, though. You know what I'm
Your
saying?
number or something, man, with this right here, right here.
Boy, what?
Oh, word? You gonna?
I'm sorry. I don't care.
Yeah.
Is that
Okay.
the I don't care.
Yeah.
It
Okay.
doesn't matter to me. Dude, that's not your phone. That's not your phone. She didn't even light up when you flip it. You're just typing in random.
I know my number by heart.
Did the flip phone really work? That's not even C.
Oh, no. See, that's my, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I was just making
Yeah,
sure.
I'm about to say,
because I pulled, it was dead. So like I had to, I don't know, oh, shit, I got my other phone with me type shit.
Yep.
I don't know what he talking about. He's talking about a bunch of nothing.
Nice to meet y'all, man. Y'all have
Talking
a
about a bunch of nothing.
Yes, ma'am. You have a great night, too. Yes, ma'am. Yep, see, I told you. It definitely was gonna work, man. You see, hey, it was dead at first, and I was like, type shit, it's gonna work, so this still count, low key.
No. It do count, no, because she said it don't matter. So I count it. It do count. You right. It count. I count it. Because she said it don't matter. She literally said it don't matter.
That's a hard shirt right there. My butt got a shirt.
Whose shirt?
This nigga got a Koski collared shirt on. That motherfucker hard, man. Yeah, I ain't nobody. I just bought the camera. That's good.
Oh, he's somebody. I don't know who is it.
He said that dude did it. How she gonna say? No, hold on.
I don't know him, but I want to be like.
Yeah, nah, I just bought the camera because I know
Okay, so you do
motherfuckers like the
YouTube.
camera.
What kind of like?
Yeah, I'm about to say she definitely don't know who Duke is if she didn't recognize him when she saw him. Like she screamed when they said the name, but she ain't really know who he was, man.
Whatever I want to do.
What funny you tell me?
Like if I want to go ride a horse or some shit, then
Well,
I'll do
let's
that.
go ride a horse.
Where you from though?
Virginia.
See, what the fuck is? What's up with everybody being from Virginia? Like,
I'm from Richmond. I don't know where the fuck the rest of these bitches from, but I'm from Richmond.
Shit, I ain't never been to Virginia.
Okay, put my snap in. Put that on the YouTube.
I don't got Snap. I stopped using that shit.
What the fuck you got then?
I should stop using Snap low key. But I text almost everybody on Snap, bro. I ain't gonna cut.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
Alright, fuck it. What's your number? Let me see. Dude, I want to talk about person. I don't know. Shit, let me see. I'm being real. I ain't want you for the cloud. I want to know who you is. I want to know
and I'm trying to get to.
Alright, come on. Let me see the track. Fuck it.
Yeah, I'll get it after.
Nah, that's crazy. Nah, cause she started to lean her head on the chest. That's crazy. He was like, hold up, what you doing? Getting a little, he getting a little too close. What you mean?
You want to? What's your name? Jay?
Oh, we already.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am. Where you from? Columbia. I'm from Greenville, man.
Greenville, South Carolina. Columbia, that's the capital, huh? See, I got a little bit of knowledge, you know what I'm saying? I got a little bit of smarts up here, man. Got a little bit of smart. Dave Amigo, where you at, man?
Everybody knows that.
So why you come up to me on it? Know what I'm saying?
I just wanted to.
Oh, yeah, man. Come up to me, man. You know what I'm saying? Ready? I want to let her talk to you like that, bro.
Me personally.
No, I'm talking to my dog. Me personally, I won't let nobody talk to me like that. I'm just saying, me personally, I won't let shit like that go down. But then again, like, that ain't me, and that ain't none of my business, really.
Got me running down the fucking beach.
Wait, no motherfucker. Let's take a picture. Though.
All right, come on. No cap. I'm over here surveying.
What was she doing? No, she had the phone up like this. What was she doing? Like, was she not taking a picture?
North Carolina.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, big dog shit. Big dog shit.
They aggressive. I'm scared. They aggressive.
Where are you from? I want to be from the same place, man. I want to be from the same
You do? Give me a hug.
That's crazy. No, she's going stupid.
That's my nigga right here. Come take him from me.
No, she's going crazy.
Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
We together from here on out.
That's crazy.
Come take him from me.
What's today?
Come take him from me.
That's crazy, bruh.
Hey, our anniversary is May 28th.
That's crazy, bruh. Nah, that's crazy.
Boy, ain't no motherfucking way, boy.
That's nah. Duke playing a dangerous game. I ain't gonna cut with you, gang.
I told these hoes that's my nigga. He said when our anniversary.
Nah, she's clouded. She's clouded. There, Davo. You been looking for you, Davo. Where you been, gang?
Listen, everybody be like, what the fuck Duke here? I'm like, that nigga Duke here.
I like your birth party. I love it.
Where's that? I want to see the birthmark. I want to love the birthmark. She turned around too quick. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. She didn't want to show her face. I just want to see the birthmark. Like, I just want to see the birthmark. Got in her ad. I was just trying to see the birthmark, bruh. Thank you.
How y'all doing?
Yeah, for sure.
They scared. I ain't scared.
Oh, yeah, I'm already knowing you ain't scared. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Okay. Hey, fellas.
That's crazy, man.
Hey, she got no drawers on.
That's crazy, man.
All of this right here, like she ain't got no drawers on, fellas. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing the same motherfucking thing all day.
That man Duke done got hot. He done took off the shirt. He ain't got hot.
Damn, I ain't got no diamonds and shit like he do. Damn, put it what we on YouTube?
Yeah, you going on there? Say something right now.
This man froze on camera, man. Man, froze on camera, man. Can't be freezing, gang. Can't be freezing, man.
Hey, no, I do got something.
Hey, look. Hey, listen. Since the governor of Florida is my daddy, I'm putting it on camera. Come here. Hey, look. Free gas card whenever you go to Florida. Alright? What's your name? John? Hey, congratulations on free gas card.
I can't run across the shit. I'll leave it there. I saw that. He ain't got to swim in. Bye. I'm sorry I'm wet right now. You already know I was coming for him. Thank you. I know I look bad right now, but one day we're going to get married.
That's crazy.
I promise you. I love you so much. Like, so much. Like, you're really my wallpaper. And
That's crazy. This man just be walking the street, taking pictures, bruh. He don't even be looking. They just be coming to him like he just be walking the street, taking pictures, bruh. They just be coming to him, bruh. That's crazy. That is crazy, man. Crazy.
Appreciate y'all. Yeah, I want you in too, though.
Y'all ready?
Look at the family. They do got the whole family in it, gang. Got the whole family in the picture.
Nice to meet you, Miss Deborah. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Mom had to take him down to the street real quick. Say, hey.
Hit you up on Facebook, Deborah B. Jones.
He definitely do not have Facebook. He definitely do not have Facebook. No one that I know uses Facebook for real, bruh. Comment if you use Facebook. I know y'all don't use Facebook. No one that I actually know uses Facebook for real. No one. No one uses Facebook for real, bro. Like, for real, no one uses Facebook.
This shit right here is gonna be a bang. Hey, now you get that jersey.
The Hakeem jersey is kind of tough. I ain't gonna cap. The Hakeem jersey is tough. It is.
Oh yeah? I ain't even gonna be here tomorrow, gang. So hold on, you can bet, man?
What's up?
You can.
What's up?
Oh God.
Oh, yeah.
You got a slide right now.
I'll take the slides. I'll give you the slides right now.
Oh God.
You gotta do that shit with me.
No.
Do that for you?
Yeah.
No, yes, I ain't
No.
What's up?
Yeah, I just want to.
I bust my ass in front of all these people. I still don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck.
Are you gonna do it? Like, are you gonna do it? Just do the flip.
Whatever you feel most comfortable with. So, hey, my dog is finna do.
Only because I seen him do that shit on the video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to say, like, just are you gonna flip or not, gang? Come on.
Hey, yo, I can do that.
Hold on. Take off your hat, bro. Oh, now that your shit look good.
This ain't going up there, bro. What's up?
Yo, yeah, he can't do it. I don't believe him. I don't believe him. He gonna have to show me. He gonna have to show me. Yeah, nah. That's what I'm saying. He gonna have to show me. They on the beach with it.
No, that's an 0100. I didn't know what the fuck you was talking about though. Hell yeah, but it's a 24-hour clock.
That picture gonna look hard. I ain't gonna cap. That picture gonna look hard.
Yeah, that red shit is crazy. Nah, that shit is crazy.
I got you. Hey, you gonna know who shot that shit? That's my slogan.
Oh yeah?
You know who shot that shit?
Well, I'm gonna use one of them as my profile picture. I ain't gonna count. Everything that y'all just seen is for entertainment purposes only, bro. I really don't be rizzing.
Nah, that's crazy.
Bro, for all the TikTok people that be posting me, bro, stop saying Duke can't be stopped. Duke is unmatched. Stop saying all that shit.
Oh, that's from the video.
I'm a regular ass nigga, bro.
No, I swear for life, I got so scared. I got so scared. I didn't know where that music was coming from. It just came out of nowhere. I started looking around. Let me remind you, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know what, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's really 3 o'clock in the morning. So when that music came on, I was not expecting it. It caught me off guard for real. Alright? But make sure y'all go watch that video. You know? I'm about to take myself to bed. That's what I'm about to do. But you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all go like Duke's video. June 9th, I told y'all, live stream on Twitch for the June 10th drop. If you don't know what's dropping on June 10th, look it up. Look it up because you need to know. You need to know what's dropping on June 10th because it's going to be lit, man. It's going to be lit. We're going to go live around like probably 11 EST. Probably 11 EST just to give us an hour to prepare. I like that. Probably 11 EST just gives us an hour to prepare. But, yeah, it's going to be lit, man. Make sure you be there. Road to 2K subs. Y'all can't see that. Road to 2K subs. You know what I'm saying? Be a part of the growth. You know, turn on those post notifications. Can you know I keep that nugget game strong. Subscribe. Share with everybody you know. I see you for another one. I'm tired, man. I'm tired for real. I ain't even drinking no water. I'm drinking in bed, but yeah, I see y'all for another one. So, peace.